Good day everyone, I am Joshua Vanes and today I will discuss the relevance of world literature in a maritime field today. Many people think that literature is only about reading history and poems. However, world literature provides valuable lessons that help maritime students and professionals become better communicator, leader, and global citizen. Introduction. World literature refers to literary works from different countries, cultures, and time period. It includes novels, poems, dramas, and short stories that reflects that experiences, belief, and values of people around the world. The purpose of world literature is to help us understand the different cultures and perspective. It broadens our knowledge, develop empathy, and improve our understanding of human experiences. Maritime student, world literature is important because the maritime industry is global. Seafarers interact with people from different nationality and cultural background every day. Maritime connection. One reason world literature is relevant to maritime professional and its cultural awareness and intercultural communication. Ships are often staffed by multinational crews working effectively with people from different culture requires respect, understanding, and good communication. By reading literary works from different countries, maritime professionals gain a deeper appreciation of culture differences, helping them build a stronger relationship and avoid misunderstanding on board. Relevance 1. Empathy and understanding diverse perspective. Another important benefit of world literature is development of empathy. Literature allows readers to experience situations through the eyes of different characters. This helps us understand the feelings, struggles, and viewpoint of other people. In a maritime settings, empathy is essential because crew members spend long periods working and living together. Understanding one another promotes harmony, cooperation, and a positive working environment. Relevance 2. Leadership and teamwork. World literature also teaches valuable lessons about leadership and teamwork. Many stories show characters overcoming challenges through cooperation, responsibility, and determination. These qualities are important in maritime profession because ship operation requires teamwork, trust, and effective leadership to ensure safety and efficiency. Relevance 3. Ethical decision making and critical thinking. Literary works often present moral dilemmas and difficult situations. Reading this story encourages critical thinking and helps reader evaluate consequences before making decisions. In a maritime industry, professionals frequently face situations that requires ethical judgment and responsible decision making. World literature helps develop this important skill. Literary example. The Old Man and the Sea. The first literary work is The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. This novel tells the story of an old fisherman who struggled to catch a giant marlin despite many difficulties. The story teaches perseverance, courage, resilience, and respect for nature. These lessons are highly applicable to maritime professionals because seafarers often face challenges such as harsh weather conditions, long voyage, and difficult tasks. Like the old man, they must remain determined and committed to their responsibility. In conclusion, world literature is more than just stories. It's training for the real challenges of maritime life. It builds cultural awareness, empathy, leadership, and ethical decision making that every seafarer needs a multinational ship. So, while technical skills keep the ship running, world literature helps keep the crew together and strong. That's all, and have a good day. Keep safe.